how to verify ID on TikTok or how to get verified on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can complete the identity verification on TikTok. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, you want to head over to your profile. On the profile, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Once under settings and privacy, you want to simply tap on the account option at the very top. Then first you want to switch to business account. Simply tap on switch to business account and then go ahead through the prompts here and you want to switch to business account. So you can select here any options, the options that you want, and then you can I'll just add this and then you can skip this as well and maybe later, and you're all set. As you can see, once my account is completed here, I want to tap on the hamburger icon again, and now this time you should see that you'll get an option that says business suite here. So you're gonna tap on it. Once you tap on business suite here, you can see various options. You can see analytics, and you can see growth center, creative hub, business content, auto messages, need help, and business page. You want to simply tap on need help option. Now currently I'm having some issues, server issues here itself. It's not my internet connection. As you can see, I'm connected here, but here what you can do is once you tap on need help, you should get an option that says request blue badge verification. You want to tap on it and then you want to go ahead to the prompts and submit the information correctly required, and then you should be verified. So if they accept the verification, so this we can verify or get verified on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.